Today, let's try to understand the pattern of DELE A1 oral exam. The first task is about self-introduction. What is your name? What is your age? What is your nationality? Where do you stay? Your likes, your dislike, how do you look? How do you are? Who is there in your family? Your profession. The duration of this task is about 1 to 2 minutes. I am extremely sure that if you talk about all these, you will cover those 2 minutes. If you don't, do not worry, the examiner will ask you questions about your introduction. The second task is the monologue. Now, before the exam, you are given a preparation time and options are given to you to choose in between. Please choose the task, the topic on which you can speak more. For suggestions on a few topics of the DELE A1 oral exam, see this video here or I don't know where, somewhere. As always, remember to answer all the questions or points given in your question. Do not leave even one point behind. It doesn't matter even if you say 1 or 2 lines about the point. The third task you don't prepare beforehand, but it is seemingly the easiest of the 3 tasks. Why? Because you don't have to set your own context. The examiner asks you questions and you have to just answer. Now, the only difficulty is that you may not understand the examiner. Don't worry, you can ask the examiner to repeat the question. You can say, ¿Puedes repetir por favor? This way, the examiner will repeat the question and there are chances that they may frame the question in a different way so that you can understand. Do you want to check your DELE exam skills with us? Write to us on these numbers and we will contact you very soon. Happy learning!